Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to use Notion for personal tax preparation, the 2025 guide. First and foremost, create a new page in Notion and name it Personal Tax 2025. This step is crucial as it helps to separate your tax information from other content in Notion and provides a dedicated space for your tax prep. Now that we've done that, next up is creating a table. Click on the plus sign and select the table option. This table will serve as the backbone of your tax prep, helping you to organize and manage your tax documents and receipts. The reason we do this is because having a visual overview of all your tax-related documents and data can not only simplify the process, but also reduce the chance of missing any important documents. Now, add relevant columns to your table. These might include columns for document types, income sources, tax-deductible expenses, and dates. This helps us because it allows us to categorize our information and quickly identify any missing pieces. Once you've set up your table, it's time to fill it in. As you receive tax-related documents throughout the year, add the necessary data to your table. Let me explain why this matters. By doing this, you're creating a running tally of your financial year, making it easier to see your total income, expenses, and potential tax deductions. The final step is to add a notes section at the end of your page. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. This section is for jotting down any tax-related thoughts, questions, or reminders. This way, when it's time to file your taxes, you'll have all your notes in one place. And just like that, you've set up Notion for personal tax preparation. It may seem a little daunting at first, but once you get started, I promise it will make your tax season a lot less stressful. Remember, Notion is a tool, and it's here to serve you, so feel free to customize your page to best suit your needs. Thank you for joining us today, and here's to a smoother tax season.